I recently visited a manufacturing company. During the discussion, the director of the company, I asked him what is the one key challenge that he is facing in his organization. So he told me, I don't know what is happening in my company. I'm not sure about my inventory levels. We have delivery related issues, and because of all these problems, sometimes it leads to poor customer experience. I realize this is not an isolated case. During my professional journey, many a time I have come across companies who are struggling with similar kind of issues. So what these companies can do to overcome such challenges? Hi, I am Molichan, founder and director of Force Intellect Private Limited. We provide ERP solution for manufacturing companies. So coming back to our topic, so to overcome these challenges, companies can implement strong systems and processes. Think of your company as a network of interconnected systems like procurement, warehousing, order to dispatch, payment, receipt, etc. While implementing systems in your organization, pay close attention to these four key characteristics. They are goals, policy, process, and procedure. Let's talk about goals first. So every system should help you in achieving some goal. For example, procurement system should help you in procuring right material at right time at right price. Similarly, all other systems should also help you in achieving certain goals for your organization. Next point is policy. So basically, policies are rules and guidelines for your system. In any company, there can be a procurement policy, and this procurement policy may define how to procure high value items or how to procure capital items, or there can be a separate procurement policy for day-to-day consumable items. Next point is process. So process are basically steps that you perform to operate your system. In our example of procurement system, so to execute your procurement activity, you will prepare purchase intent, then send RFQ, receive quotation, prepare competitive statement, generate purchase order, and if required, doing the purchase order amendment. So these are the steps that you will perform to run your purchase or procurement activity, procurement system. Final point is procedure. So procedure tells you how to perform a particular step in your system. For example, in procurement system, there can be a procedure to generate a purchase order. So this procedure will tell you what are the things that are important or mandatory in generating purchase order, what are the things that you have to take care. For example, it is important to define HSN code while preparing the purchase order. Or it is important to define delivery dates, delivery terms, payment terms, other terms conditions, freight related conditions, etc. So these are the procedure for your system. Having a strong systems offers numerous benefits to manufacturing companies. It helps you to achieve visibility, transparency, team empowerment, accountability, etc. It also helps you to build your organization for future growth and for future scalability. So take a moment and look into your existing systems, look how strong and weak these systems are. And ERP is a great tool to implement all the points that we discussed.